This plant here is called ahuava, and you'll see that a lot in wetlands and along the coastal areas. The ahuava was also used traditionally and even today to strain ava. So the drink, they use the leaves, they smash the leaves and they strain the ava using the stems from this plant. This sedge here is called pu'uka'a, and it's a special sedge. It's endemic, meaning that it's found only here in Hawaii. Pu'uka'a is found, I believe, on Kauai and Oahu, but at one time it was found on all islands. So it's a very endangered plant. So another plant that we've grown out in the wetlands is called, this one here, kaluha. There's no record of Hawaiians using this plant traditionally, but I know in other parts of the world that this kaluha was used to make sandals, baskets, and things to that extent.